I'm unboxing my new microphone. I'm very excited about this. It's been a few years that I've had my previous microphone, which is condenser mic, which is really nice and everything. It's really great for audio. However, it just picks up all background noise and stuff, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. So hopefully, with the new dynamic microphone, that'll isolate more than the sound and then not get so much background noise. But apparently this microphone is a lot similar to a condenser mic in the tones it's able to pick up while still isolating background noise, so hopefully it does the job. We shall see. We also shall see how pretty it is. It's pretty damn expensive, so hopefully. So how do I open this? Where's the opening part? Okay, right here. So it's just let me get, there we go. I don't know if you could hear the sound from that. I need to get like a tabletop thing. Now, how am I supposed to open this? Oh, like this? Hello? Oh, okay. Here we go. So that's very simple packaging. It's literally just a plain old box. Heavy-ass microphone. We got the I'm inspecting it to see if this has been used. I mean, for something so expensive, you'd think they'd put some effort into the packaging. Like, literally all they have is just the microphone in its case, and then some documents, and then an adapter. So let's just check that out. So there's an adapter for it. For Euro thread. I don't know what that means, but hey. It's got that. Oop. And then it's got a checklist. Okay, so it says Euro thread adapter, carrying case with foam inserts, the microphone, the clamp for attaching it to a microphone stand, and then a warranty card. Okay. And then there's another little document with it. Says key features: favorite of broadcast show hosts and voiceover studios, ideal for instrument recording, especially kick drums and acoustic guitars. Studio condenser response, yet no powering required, and immune to overloading. So it's very similar to a condenser mic, whereas like the majority of people I see who have dynamic mics get the Shure SM7B, which seems great and everything, but the tone of it, it's a lot different from the sound of a condenser mic. And I've listened to a lot of reviews comparing mics and stuff, and this one just had nicer tone in my opinion, catches more of like the treble notes and mid-tones, so I'm excited about that. Also excited that it doesn't need phantom power and that it just needs a good preamp, which my mixer has a good preamp, so I'm not going to need a cloud lifter for it, which is also cool. So yeah, I get to check this out and see how good it is. It seems to have good off access pickup for the sound, so it'll still like, it's more forgiving. You don't have to speak into it directly in the front, whereas I think the Shure SM7B, you have to really be right up on the microphone for it to pick up your voice. So it'll be better from not close proximity, but I still hope that it's going to cut out background noise, because there's a lot of background noise around here. Like dog barking and trains and my computer fans, which are hella loud. So yeah, we'll see how it works out. All right, let's check out this beast. I'm excited to open this up. Oh, it's so pretty. Get it. Pretty. Oh my gosh, I really like it. It's different because like most microphones you see, they're, oh my god, this is really stuck in here. Most microphones you see, oh, this is quite heavy, are black, but this one's gray, and I think it's very pretty. I like it, it's very nice. Check it out. So yeah, normally like the Shure SM7B, you have to speak directly into the top for it to pick up sound, but this one will be able to pick up sound from the sides as well. But it still has good rear rejection because it's a cardioid-based pattern. So that's really nice. Oh, it's very pretty. It's made in Germany, apparently. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm excited to set it up, try it out, and see how this fares compared to my other mic, which is the 8T2050, I believe the microphone I have is. It's a multi-pattern condenser mic. So yeah, it's a decent stand, but it might be better for me to invest in a shock mount at some point. But for now, I do think that this is good. Quite heavy, so you definitely need a boom arm or a good stand, which luckily I have that as well. So yeah, I'm gonna set it up, test it out, and see how it goes tonight. And I'll let you know if I recommend it. So far, I feel like, yes, it's gonna be good. It's going to be good. It's a beauty. Maybe I'll have to get a windscreen or foam filter or something for it just to help a little bit, but since I'm probably not going to be right up on the mic using proximity effect, it's not going to be as much of an issue. I think I'll be fine. Plus it looks way prettier without a foam filter, windscreen, yada yada. So anyway, thank you for watching my video and checking it out, my unboxing. There wasn't much to the unboxing, there's not much to the packaging. It's very simple, plain box. I mean, in a sense, I guess it's good because the box doesn't have printing on it or any sort of like coating, so it's for sure recyclable. Just more environmentally friendly, even if it's really boring. I was really surprised. I'm like, is this repackaged? No, this is the box it actually comes in. Wow. So yeah, that was unexpected, but hey, at least I can recycle it because I'm not going to be actually keeping the packaging due to the fact that this comes in a really nice case, which is great. So if I need to store it at all, that's great. Because my Audio-Technica mic, that just came in a little zipper, like pleather pouch with a little bit of foam in it. Like the protection for it is so minimal in comparison. So this one will travel well if I need to take it with me somewhere or if I have to move, whatever, anything like that. That's great. But anywho, I'll see you guys on the next one, and hopefully my audio will be improved by then. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be doing more unboxings and tech reviews very soon because I've got a few other things to unbox. So yeah, have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you later.